I'm so lazy. Anastasia who? Look at that. I don't really use that makeup brush. I also have a little paintbrush in here. Hey guys, what is up? It's Amy and today's video is going to be makeup collection. I'm going to point you, I literally don't know which side the cards, I think it's this side. I'm going to share with you guys, wait, I'm watching. I think it's this side. I will have the card up here on my last makeup collection video. If you want, you can go watch that. So I keep my makeup in this like makeup travel container thing. But in here we have like a compartment. I have like hair clips, hair bands. I have like a miscellaneous things up here. Now moving on to my brush collection. This one, honestly, I don't really use that makeup brush, so I'm actually gonna throw it away. I don't use it. So once we get rid of that one, because I don't really use it, we're down to this many brushes. So this is not really technically a brush. It's for doing your edges, so that's what this is for. It's just an old toothbrush. I think I dropped it on the floor or something and I didn't want to put it into my mouth. So then I just used it for my hair. I also have this one, which is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It has this part for like your eyebrows, and then it also has this part also for your eyebrows. And I also use this for doing eyeliner, so this is kind of like a two-in-one. Really useful stuff. The next one is my most used brush, and it is wobbly because I've had these brushes forever. I got these off Amazon. I think I have an old video on them that's on private now. It's just a foundation brush. That's what I use it for. I used to have like a million brushes for foundation, and then I was like, I only use one. So I got rid of the other ones. And then I have this brush, which I got in a BoxyCharm box, and I love this brush so much. It's such high quality. I use this to blend out my concealer. Oftentimes I'm lazy and I just use the other brush. And then finally, this is my second most used brush, and this is my Crease Brush that I got from e.l.f. This is one of my oldest brushes ever. I literally got this like when I just got into makeup, and I was like, oh my god, I'm such a beauty girl. That is my brush collection. As you can see, they all fit really nicely up here. It's really dirty, but it fits. The first thing that I have on top here is this lip kit that I got from FaFitFun. It has a bunch of different like colors. I don't use this all the time, but this is especially great for like weddings or like formal events where I'm like, I want this specific color. So then I don't have a million different lipsticks. I just have this one lip kit container palette so that I can just like use this for like any dramatic lip look that I want. But the thing I've been using recently that I got a couple days ago is this lip gloss. It's from Wet n Wild, and this is their Zodiac collection. I got the Libra one, even though I'm a Virgo. I did not like the Virgo color. It was like brown, and I was like, that's not it. But I am a Libra moon, so I was like, same thing, right? So I got the Libra one. It's like really pretty pink and glittery. Let me apply some more. So this is it. Looks good, right? I like it. I think it's super glittery and kind of dramatic, but also subtle at the same time. So it's like a paradox that way. I didn't used to be a huge lip gloss person, but now I think I might need to get more into lip glosses. So next is an eyeshadow palette, and I got this from FaFitFun. So I mostly use this brown color in my crease, and then the other like glittery colors I will use if I want like a pop of glitter. So yeah, I love this eyeshadow palette so much, and I use this on my eyes literally every day. I don't really do super dramatic eyeshadow looks, which is why I've downsized to this eyeshadow palette. Technically I have two eyeshadow palettes. I have this one that I got literally eons ago. I actually filmed a video reviewing it when I bought it. Like, my eyebrows are so invisible right now. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy here, and in today's video I'm so excited to be, okay, I feel like everyone says that, but I'm really excited to be doing this because I am doing a review on this 4 years ago. I don't use any of these colors. I only use this dark brown to fill in my eyebrows sometimes. Next is foundation. I have two foundations in here. I filmed a video on 10 things to not buy in 2020. I'll have it linked up below if you want to check it out. I have two foundations because this is my old foundation. It's like basically almost done, and this is my new foundation, which is like my current foundation. Basically what I'm saying is that this is done and I'm gonna toss it once I've squeezed every last drop out of it. I regret buying this foundation. I bought it because it was cheaper, and I used to love this foundation, but this is like 10 times better, and once this is done I'm just gonna go back to this because this is an amazing foundation, and just one pump and you're good. But for this one I have to like put so much on my face to cover my acne. It's like absolutely atrocious. I think this is the Superstar full coverage, super great high quality, and I got the same color actually, 355 Coconut. I've been using that color forever. So next in here I have two deodorants. This is supposed to be in my backpack because it's my mini size. This is like the deodorant that I keep in my makeup collection. I've been kind of like meaning to switch to like an aluminum free deodorant because I've heard that aluminum is bad for you, but I'm so lazy. This is my current deodorant. Not very good, but it keeps me not smelling. Next thing in here is my lotion. I got this like baby version of the Cetaphil one because I'm just testing it out, trying to see if I like it before I can commit to like $15. So we'll see. Love this so far. It like is really smooth. Next thing that I have in here is this Up and Up acne spot treatment. To be honest, I don't know if it works or not. Usually like if I put it on my pimple, the pimple will be gone in a couple days. But I don't know if it's because of this or just in general because I've been taking care of my skin a lot better recently. But yeah, I've been using this. When it's done, I'm not going to buy another one. I also have a little paintbrush in here, so that's nice. So I have this mascara in here, but I haven't been using it that much because the first couple times I used it, it clumped up on me. So I haven't been really using this mascara. But this mascara that I got, so my friend is a Sephora ambassador and they had to like set up an event, and I went to their event and they were giving out like free samples. So I got this Sephora collection free sample like mascara, and I was like, oh, whatever. But turns out this mascara is actually really good, and I wish I had gotten like 5 of them. But yeah, I really love this mascara. I use it every day, literally over this one, which I paid for, which is like kind of sad, but it's fine. I also have 2 hot glue gun sticks in here, which doesn't make any sense. And the next thing in here I bought a couple days ago, and this is the Maybelline Brow Super Slim. I've been using this to do my eyebrows the past couple days. It works so well. I love it. And I think this was like $6. Why are eyebrow products so expensive? That's it. It's like nothing. Why is it so expensive? Yeah, so I've been loving this Anastasia Who. I definitely prefer doing this versus like I used to do cream brow products, I used to do powder, but I think pencil is just the easiest for me, and it just and you're done for the day and you can just go to school. I also have a pair of tweezers in here for, I don't know, plucking eyebrows. I don't really pluck my eyebrows that much, but I still have tweezers. And then in here I also have, I don't know if you can see, it got jammed up into the lid, and I was so pissed when I saw it. Yeah, this is the Marc Jacobs concealer. I got this in an influencer box and I love it so much. This concealer, 100% recommend. It's super expensive though. I didn't pay for it, which is why I'm probably like, yeah, buy it. And then I also have this sunscreen sample that I got from Sephora, and I, to be honest, have not been wearing this sunscreen. I don't wear sunscreen. I'm just gonna be completely honest and say that I don't wear sunscreen. I've been trying to get into it. I've been trying to get into sunscreen so that I can protect my skin and not have so many dark spots, but I just am not motivated to spend a lot of money on skincare, which is really sad and culminates into really bad skin. Look at how neat everything is in here. Look at that compared to how it was before. So I think my current makeup collection is where I really want it to be and stay. I used to have a lot of makeup, but to be honest, I wouldn't wear most of it. So not only was it a waste of money, it was also just a waste of resources. So I'm really happy that I kind of downgraded and stopped buying so much makeup. So in my video on 10 things not to buy in 2020, I'll buy makeup. This is especially going to be hard for makeup lovers out there, but I think just for the year, try not to buy makeup products to add to your collection, especially if you already have 10 eyeshadow palettes and 6 eyeliners. Try to see if you can use up what you have, use up the skincare that you have, use up the lotions that you need. I also talked about not buying makeup. I also challenge you guys to do the same and not buy makeup this year. I kind of already broke this because I bought my foundation and my eyebrow pencil literally like a couple days ago, but that's because I had run out of things and I needed to buy new versions. So try not to buy more makeup before you run out of the ones that you have, and I kind of challenge you guys to do that this year. And I'm going to try to end this video now so that I won't be late to class, so I can eat lunch and get to class on time, because it's literally on the other side of campus. It's a lot of fun. So there's that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, of course, like and then comment down below other videos you want me to do, and then also subscribe to my channel because it helps me out so much, so please do that. I will also have all my social media linked down below so you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. But that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Get me right.